Hello everyone, this is Nina from Y-Access Coaching and I'm back again with some more tips for your IELTS exam preparation. And this time it's the listening module. So let's get started straight away. The listening module is divided into 4 sections, each section containing 10 questions, which goes up progressively in the difficulty level. Now in section 1, you will hear a basic everyday social conversation between two people set in an everyday social context. In section 2, you will hear a monologue, that is one person speaking, giving a talk about facilities that are available for the local residents. For example, a new library that has opened up in the area, or about some health services that have been provided for the locals. In section 3, you will hear a conversation between a tutor and his pupils, talking about an academic project or a college assignment. So these sort of conversations you will hear in section 3. And in section 4, you will hear a monologue again. This will again be based on an academic lecture. For example, about the history of photography, about the life cycle of a whale, or about marine life, or about volcanoes. Now, you don't have to have any prior knowledge about these topics because all the information that you require to answer your questions will be in the audio clips. So let's look at point number 3, where you will come across a variety of accents, namely from North America, from Canada, from the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Now, this can be challenging for some people because it is something new that they're experiencing. The variety of accents, each accent distinctly different from the other, pronunciations, speed at which they speak, and of course, the variety of topics that they discuss or speak about. So to come to terms with this, we recommend that you listen and watch a lot of foreign programs. For example, TED Talks, TEDx, radio programs from these countries, sitcoms, news channels. So to get familiarized with accents, with pronunciation, with different topics, and general awareness. This will help you prepare adequately for the listening module. I would also recommend IELTS podcasts. The next point here is that the 4 sections go up progressively in the difficulty level. As mentioned earlier, section 1 will be the easiest in the difficulty level, and section 4 will be the most challenging in the difficulty level. Now, with practice, you will easily be able to get used to them and understand what exactly takes place in each of these sections. Section 3 and 4 are about university life, about what happens in universities in those countries. So you can prepare yourself by looking up some topics that are discussed between tutors and their students in universities in those countries. And of course, you can look up the campus vocabulary that is available online to do some background preparation for sections 3 and 4. Now coming to the next point, this particular module tests you to the ultimate in your multitasking skills. Yes, that's right. You have to do 4 things at the same time. Sounds mind-boggling? Not really. So what are these 4 tasks that you have to do simultaneously? Of course, since it's a listening module, you have to listen to the audio clips, write down your possible answers, read the questions, and last but not the least, focus and concentrate on each and every word that is in the audio clip. Remember, if you lose your concentration and focus, what will happen? You will miss out on some important information that could have been a possible answer. Remember, these audio clips are played only once and you have no control over it. It is played on a centralized audio system by the organizers. So there you go. So build up your multitasking skills. All right, so let's go to what you can do to improve your scores in the listening module. Of course, as with all the other modules, practice is the key. Practice, practice, and practice till you are comfortable with accents, with the topics, with the speed at which they speak, the pronunciation. So these are all challenging aspects of the listening module, but of course, with regular practice, you should be able to overcome them. Thank you for listening. We will be back with more audios and more tips, more videos to help you with your IELTS preparation. So keep watching this space for more. On behalf of Y-Axis Coaching, this is Nina signing off, and happy preparation for your IELTS exam.